Just imagine, high-demand Sierra Ridge subdivision spaciousness. 1,580 square feet penthouse raised ranch, Blue Ridge model bold open airy living space with gorgeous engineered wood floors, flowing fireplace, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, laundry in unit, 2-car garage. Gigantic master suite, 14 by 17, invites you with double French doors, vaulted ceiling, huge walk-in closet, private master bath providing double bold vanity soaker tub and separate shower. Updated kitchen, abundance of glazed cabinets, ambient lighting, stainless steel appliances, 2-car garage, 12 by 10 private balcony for your outdoor entertaining. Exceptional Randall Road corridor location meets all of your needs, minutes off of Route 20 and I-90. Peace of mind with a 1-year home warranty, American Home Shield Plus, no rentals allowed.